How much do you contribute to your relationship?
Hindi lang finances ang issue dito.
Yung participation mo, yung effort.
effort na binibigay.
No? Ako, para sa akin, may iba-ibang phases sa relationship. May time na pwedeng ikaw yung may kaya, pwedeng ako yung may kaya, pwede namang ikaw yung busy, pwedeng parehas tayo. The thing is, you always have to have enough communication to realize if asan kayo papunta. Kasi dapat ganon. Hindi pwedeng wala kayong goal. There should be at least a certain set of goals in the near future or in the long run na alam nyo, dun kayo papunta. What I'm trying to say is, dapat marunong kang umunawa dun sa situation ng partner mo. Pero, kung dadating sa point na parang nagkakaroon na kayo ng questioning regarding doon sa contribution nyo sa relationship, but then again, you don't have goals, you don't have plans, then kailangan yung i-clarify yun with each other. Kasi sometimes, hindi naman nagmamatter yung contribution nyo sa relationship at that time. What matters is, if you understand that whatever your situation is, you both know where you're going to. Nagkakasundo ba kayo doon sa path or sa goal na gusto nyo i-reach? Then everything else will follow. Pag masyado kayong nakatingin dun ka sa simpleng bagay na mas may effort ako o mas may effort ka, those are just simple things na sometimes mas nakafocus yung energy mo dun sa ganung bagay. If you will come to realize, ito bang partner ko, nagkakaintindihan kami na ang goal namin is ganito? Kasi kung hindi, everything else doesn't make sense. Ba't ka pa magbibigay ng effort or energy to understand or to even question each other kung ano yung contribution nyo sa isa't isa? Kung hindi naman pala kayo nagkakaintindihan ng goals.
O hindi kayo same ng direction.
Yeah. You can never be in two separate walks of life if you're already in a relationship.
Correct.
You can grow together and you must choose a path where you will grow together and you can support each other, not separately kasi nga nasa sa relationship
Correct.
kayo.
Tama.
So yung supporting each other or yung contribution or efforts each other, those are just simple things na hindi mo na dapat yan binibigyan ng energy so long as alam mong papunta kayo sa goal nyo.